Well, it's interesting, we always say the markets are filled with uncertainty, and I think so. It always is, and particularly it's been, you know, for a long time about the sort of the focus on diversification, all those kind of basic principles I think are super important. But it's kind of silly, I think, of me to say the markets will continue to be uncertain. No duh, right? We know that. There's just a lot going on. But what's been very interesting is it's actually been a pretty good year for alpha, like generating excess returns above and beyond the kind of the basic market return. And I think part of that, there could be a lot of reasons for that. I think particularly coming out as interest rates have come up the last several years, we've just seen better opportunities for stock picking, bond picking, and whether that's systematic or discretionary, I think that holds true. Clearly, some of the trend stuff has struggled a little bit in the last, I don't know, 18 months or so, but we've seen a nice rebound there. And that I think is a direct byproduct of some of the uncertainty. But some of that's also Monday morning quarterbacking because it's like, oh, of course, trend wasn't going to work with all the uncertainty. But if you actually look at the longer record, trend is actually pretty good at navigating some of that uncertainty. We've seen a nice rebound in the last part of the year here, and the markets are just as uncertain.